Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. Welcome to our next video lesson, and as in the previous video we started our next English book, that was Oxford Progressive English or OPE. And today's video we are going to move to our unit 2 lesson 2. In the previous video we completed the lesson 1, and in today's video we are going to complete our lesson number 2 of the unit 1. As you know, the name of the unit 1 was Meets the Family, and this whole unit is about the family. And in the unit 1 lesson 2 is words family members. Okay, this is about family members. Exercise 1 is say these words, circle the odd ones out. In these words, students, you can see these words in this table. All of these words may have similar or dissimilar or different vowel sounds. As you know what are vowel sounds, so you may understand what the difference between all of these words when I will pronounce them. Okay, I'm pronouncing these words, so you have to listen to carefully. Brother, mother, son, honey, nothing, Monday, rocket, monkey, donkey, money. Students, did you observe the difference among these words? If not, let me repeat once again. Okay, and this time you will have to observe the difference between the a vowel sound and o sound. Okay, which sounds a and o. You will observe the difference when I will pronounce them again. What you have to observe is the difference between all of these words pronunciation. Brother, mother, son, honey, nothing, Monday, rocket, monkey, donkey, money. Students, I hope now you have understood what's the difference here. Here the difference of the vowel sounds. Two vowel sounds are used here, a and o. In all of these words, brother, mother, son, honey, nothing, Monday, monkey, money, they're the same sound, a. Let's suppose brother, Monday, money. Okay, but in these two words, which these words, the rocket and the donkey, all of these both of these words have o sound. Rocket, donkey, rocket, donkey. Now observe the difference between the o sound and a sound. Monkey, donkey. This is monkey, a sound. This is donkey, o sound. I hope you now understand. This is Monday, Monday, a sound. Rocket, rocket means o sound is pronounced here. So here is these two are the odd ones out, means they are different from the other words given in this table. I hope now you understand. Okay, exercise number 2 is look at the family tree in lesson 1. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Now you are given some family members. Now what you have to do, you have to complete these complete these blanks. And how will you know which word is used to be is used here? You will have to go through to the exercise number 1 from the in the lesson 1 you have to go to the family tree. Okay, go to the family tree in the lesson 1. Let me tell you. Okay, this is the family tree given here. Now you understand the relationship between all of these family members. Okay, grandpa and grandma are husband and wife. Mrs. Dani and Mrs. Berkey are sisters. Okay, Mariam and Fahad are the kids of Mr. Dani and Mrs. Dani. Saira, Imran and Nadia are the children of Mrs. Berkey and Mr. Berkey. Okay, so basically Mariam and Fahad are cousins to the Saira, Imran and Nadia. Now students, I hope you understand what are the relationships among all of these. So you have to complete the exercise on the book page number 3 and lesson 2. What are these words? Brother, sister, mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter. Okay. Example is Mrs. Berkey is Mrs. Dani's sister. Is that right? Yes. When you go to the family tree, you will understand that this is right because Mrs. Berkey and Mrs. Dani are sisters. Okay. Mr. Berkey is Fahad's. Okay. Now what is Mr. Berkey to Fahad? You know who's Fahad? Fahad is Mrs. Dani's son. So Mr. Berkey will be his uncle. Okay. What will be Mr. Berkey to Fahad? He will be his uncle. But students, you have to fill them yourself. Okay. I'm not going to fill it for you. You have to complete it. I hope you will do that. Okay. You are genius enough. Number 2. Mrs. Dani is Imran's. Now what is Mrs. Dani to Imran? Who is Imran? Imran is the son of Mrs. Dani. Oh, sorry, Mrs. Berkey. Imran is the son of Mrs. Berkey. So Mrs. Dani is Mrs. Berkey's sister. So she will be aunt to Imran. So here you will write down auntie. Saira is grandma's. Okay. Now what is Saira to grandma? Who's Saira? Saira is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Berkey. So the grandma's, what will Saira be to the grandma? She will be their granddaughter. Okay. What will be she? She will be granddaughter of grandma. Number 4. Mrs. Berkey is grandpa's. Now what is Mrs. Berkey to grandpa? Who's Mrs. Berkey? She is the daughter of grandpa. So here you will write daughter. Okay, I hope you are understanding this right. If not, then you can watch the video again or you can go to the family tree. And if you go to the family tree, you can easily solve all the exercise. But one thing, I'm also continuously telling you the answers. What do you have to do? To listen to the video carefully, read the family tree carefully, and you'll easily solve them all. Okay. Number 2. Oh, sorry. The same exercise is, it's continue here. Answer these puzzles. Now here are some puzzles. These puzzles are same from all this family tree. What you have to do, you have to guess the relationship. Okay. What you have to do, you have to guess the relationship or guess the names of all of these characters. Okay. How? I'm Mariam's mother's sister. I'm Mariam's mother's sister. Now who's Mariam? Mariam is the daughter of Mrs. Dani. Okay, who's Mariam? Mariam is the daughter of Mrs. Dani. Okay, let me solve it for you. You can see here, Mariam is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dani. Okay, so I'm Mariam's mother's sister. Now who's Mariam's mother? Mariam's mother is Mrs. Dani. And Mrs. Dani's sister, who is she? My name is Mrs. Berkey. Right? Come to the second puzzle. I'm Imran's twin sister. My name is Dash. Imran's twin sister. Let's come here. We know that Imran and Saira are twins because their ages are same, right? I gave you the homework in the previous video. I hope you have done the homework. So if you know, you will understand that Saira and Imran are twins. So who's here? I'm Imran's twin sister. My name is Saira. Okay. I'm Fahad's sister's grandfather. Fahad's sister's grandfather. Okay, who it can be? Fahad's sister's grandfather. Now, who is it? You will have to guess it. I'm Nadia's uncle. Okay, what's in this? I'm Nadia's uncle. My name is. Now, who's Nadia? Come here. Nadia's uncle. Who's going to be Nadia's uncle? You have to go to the uncle's family here, uncle and aunt's family, and you will understand. Okay. I'm Mrs. Dani's sister's son. My name is Desh. Mr. Dani's. Oh, sorry. I'm Mrs. Dani's sister's son. Mrs. Dani's sister. Who's Mrs. Dani's sister? Mrs. Berkey and his son. Who is his son? Look at the family tree and you will know it by yourself. Okay? You have to write down the names of all of these characters that are given as the puzzle here. I hope you have understood it now. Complete these book pages and send us on the WhatsApp. This is your homework to complete this book page. You have another task, students, which is that read and answer the riddle. You know what a riddle is? ओके उर्दू में हम उन्हें कहते हैं पहेलियाँ. आई होप आप सबको पहेलियाँ बूझना बहुत पसंद होगा. Okay, so here's a riddle for you. Let's see, can you solve it or not? As I was walking to Kanpur, I met a man with 7 sons. यानी कि जिसे मैंने कहाँ कर रहा था, कानपुर जा रहा था. I met a man with 7 sons. किससे मिला? एक बंदे से जिसके पास क्या थे? 7 sons. Each son had 7 gods. अब हर सन के पास क्या थी? 7 gods थी. Each god had 7 kids. हर god के पास 7 kids थे. Now men, sons, gods and kids. How many were going to Kanpur? कितने लोग हैं जो कि कानपुर जा रहे हैं? I ask you to again and again read the whole riddle and you will easily find out the answer. Wish you good luck, students. I hope you all will must do this homework and enjoy doing this homework as well. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Inshallah, I will see you soon.